Yo, hold on before you scroll. I just want to say thank you. Like actually, you could be doing literally anything right now. Scrolling, sleeping, rewatching the same 3 videos, but you chose to watch this. That's wild to me. If you laughed, paused, nodded your head, or even just stayed longer than 5 seconds, thank you. That support, it matters way more than you think. Every view, every like, every random comment at 2 a.m. saying, "Why is this so relatable?" keeps this whole thing alive. This channel isn't some big production. It's late nights, messy ideas, overthinking, and hitting upload hoping it connects with someone. And somehow, it did, with you. So yeah, thank you for watching, for sticking around, for being part of this little corner of the internet. If you're still here, you're already real for that. Alright, rant over. I'll see you in the next one.